Hello everyone, welcome to Vedantu guys. So today I am going to discuss about the very important question of quadratic equation guys. So this equation is telling about the set of the all the real number of x for which the x square minus x plus 2 plus x is greater than 0 and is this all are the options. So we have to solve that, and after solving we have to decide which one is the correct and other all are the incorrect guys. So now what is the equation guys? So equation is x square minus x plus 2 mod, right, plus x is greater than 0, right? So we are having the two case guys. So you can say that first case is x is greater than and equal to 0, and another case is that you can consider x is less than minus 2, right? So when the x is less than and equal to minus 2, greater than and equal to minus 2, so that's why we can consider x square minus x plus 2 plus x is greater than 0 guys for this condition. So for the x is greater than and equal to minus 2, so after putting the values and after these values x, this term is always greater than 0, right? So we can write here, after putting the value x square minus x minus 2 is plus x is equal to is greater than 0, and to x cancel, and we can write here the x square minus root 2 whole square, right? So you can say that is equal to 0, x is equal to, you can say that x is equal to first root is plus root 2, another root is minus root 2, right? So you can say that the critical point is, so this is another case after solving we will take, right? Now so we can say that this is the turning point guys. So first one is a minus root 2, right, and another is the root 2 guys, right? And we know that the value, the limit cannot be less than the minus 2, so you can take the minus 2 also, right? So when we take this value root 2 greater than root 2, so we will get the value plus 2 positive, and when we put the minus root 2 to root 2, so we will get negative, and after that positive, right? Okay, so we can say that, simply say that x belongs to 2 to minus root 2, okay, because minus 2 to minus root 2 and union root 2 to infinity, right? Right guys, sorry. So this is the first case, and after first case we can say that the range of x be this, right? And now I am going to take the another case guys. Another case is x is less than minus 2. So this is the very simple guys. So from this you can say that x is case number 2, you can take very simply guys, case 2 when x is less than minus 2, right? So you can say that it will become x square plus x plus 2 plus x is greater than 0, right? And we will get the value x plus 1 whole square, right? X plus 1 whole square plus 1, right? Are you getting my points guys? Now is greater than 0, so we can say that x minus 2 is also less than minus 2 guys. So this equation is also satisfied, and so that you can say that this equation and when we find out the intersection of both of the range, x is belongs to x is less than -2, and another is x is belongs to -2 to -√2 union √2 to infinity. So that's why I am going to find out the after find out, you can say that, guys, after taking the union of both to the term, we can say that the x belongs to -infinity to -√2, right? Union, you can say that union √2 to infinity. This is the very simple, because this range lies from -2 to √2, and from case 2, x is also belongs to less than -2. So you can say that, so range will be this, right? So it will be the correct answer, guys. So you can say that it will be the correct answer, right? So it will be the correct answer. Now I am going to check which option is a correct. So you can say that option B is a correct, guys, right? So thank you.